Hello everyone, and welcome to Nature Factory. In today's video, we will explore a beautiful and fragrant orchid known as Dendrobium primulinum. In Myanmar, this elegant orchid is known as Thin Kyu Kyu, a name that reflects its delicate beauty and gentle fragrance. Let us begin with its natural distribution. Dendrobium primulinum is widely found across Southeast Asia, and in Myanmar, it grows naturally in forested regions, especially in Shan State, Kachin State, and areas around Pine Ulwin in the Mandalay region. These regions provide the perfect environment with moderate temperatures, good air circulation, and trees that support its growth. This orchid is an epiphyte, meaning it grows attached to tree branches rather than in soil, often hanging gracefully from trunks and limbs. One of the most fascinating features of Thin Kyu Kyu is its growth habit. It has long, drooping pseudobulbs that create a cascading effect, making it especially attractive when grown in hanging baskets. During the growing season, the plant produces green leaves, but it is a deciduous orchid, meaning it loses its leaves before flowering. Now let's talk about its flowering period. Dendrobium primulinum usually blooms in spring, after a dry and cool dormancy period in winter. When the flowers appear, they transform the bare canes into a stunning display of color and fragrance. The flowers are medium-sized, typically around 4 to 8 centimeters, and they produce a strong, pleasant scent. The flowers themselves are truly unique. They have pinkish sepals and petals, combined with a creamy lip that has a soft, hairy texture in the center. The combination of pink and yellow gives the flower a warm, soft appearance, making it one of the most admired Dendrobium species. Some varieties, such as those found in Laos, are known for even larger flowers and a more intense yellow lips. To successfully grow this orchid, understanding its care requirements is very important. Dendrobium primulinum prefers a bright environment, but it should be protected from strong direct sunlight, especially in summer. A light level of around 30,000 to 40,000 lux is ideal. In terms of temperature, this orchid grows well in warm to temperate conditions, but it benefits from cooler nights during winter, which helps trigger flowering. Watering is also very important. During the growing season, from spring to autumn, the plant should be kept moist and watered regularly. However, in winter, when the plant enters its dormancy period and loses its leaves, watering should be stopped almost completely. This dry rest period is essential for producing abundant flowers in the next season. The plant should be grown in a well-draining medium, such as bark or sphagnum moss, which allows air to circulate around the roots and prevents waterlogging. Another interesting point about this orchid is its naming. Dendrobium primulinum is sometimes confused with or referred to as Dendrobium polyanthum, but many experts consider them as separate species due to differences in their characteristics. In conclusion, Thin Kyu Kyu, or Dendrobium primulinum, is a graceful and fragrant orchid that represents the beauty of Myanmar's natural forests. With its hanging growth habit, soft pink and yellow flowers, and delightful scent, it is truly a treasure for orchid lovers. By understanding its natural habitat and care needs, we can not only grow it successfully, but also appreciate the importance of protecting such species in the wild. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more amazing plants here on Nature Factory.